Hello guys, now we'll teach you how to open your internet connection. How are you guys? You are fine? Thank you. Only joke. Go to internet network connection and click this. So go in your connection and scan and go to enter manually. SSID is your internet connection name and your web key is your password of your internet. If you don't have a password, you will not open your PSP and go to EC. If you don't have a password, you cannot open your PSP internet. The connection's name is your internet connection's name again. And look for internet checklist. All okay? Okay, fine. Click X. Test. Okay. Now it's already okay. I'll check it. It's okay. Succeed. It's okay. Not type 2. Okay. Try to open type 2. So this is my Google. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please subscribe, don't forget. Or like or comment.